Hi friends, Tracy.bish here, your Stampin' Up demonstrator from Central Victoria, Australia. Welcome to another crafty video with me. Today I'm making a fun birthday card using this Celebrate with Tags bundle. This is a really great bundle if you like to create tags. It's good for all year. It has different occasions that you can use it for. So this is the card. It's a black and white card, which I think is great for anyone, whether it's male or female. We have basic white thick card base. That DSP, the star DSP, comes from the Black and White Designs DSP. That's also in the mini catalogue. And then we've got a few extra pieces here. Now you can find all the measurements and supplies in the description of this video. This is also part of a crafty tutorial that I have available. So if you're after that tutorial, you can get that by purchasing in my online store using this month's host code. And I'll be sending you out that for free. Alright, so I'm also using some adhesive backed sheets. Now these are in the catalogue. Because our little candles are so finicky, rather than using my liquid glue to adhere those down to the card base, I've actually grabbed my adhesive backed sheets. These work perfectly for this sort of idea. So in the die set there are two candles side by side, which makes it really good. I'm actually going to die cut it 3 times. That gives us 5 candles for the front of the card, and then we're also going to put a little candle on the inside as well. Now the way the adhesive backed sheets work is it makes it like a sticker, so it makes it super easy to adhere down onto your card or your design, and especially if it's a really intricate die, so works really well. Highly recommend looking into them. Okay, so I've quickly die cut those. I'm going to also get my happy birthday stamp out, and I've got a strip of basic black here. I'm going to mask off with a post-it note, add my ink, and then we're going to stamp down birthday. Now I don't know, for some reason I struggled getting this straight, so you'll see that it'll be a little bit out. I do another one, so it doesn't really matter too much, but yeah, if you can stamp straight. I think too, when you are videoing, you're not quite over the image, so it's really hard to see whether it's completely straight or not. We've added some white embossing powder here, and we're just hitting it with the heat tool until it becomes nice and glossy and shiny and melts that powder. I love heat embossing, and if you followed me, you probably already know that, so adding a little bit of heat embossing is always fun. So here we are, we're ready to go. I'm still really not happy with it because, once again, it is on an angle. So I'm going to play around with the stamp thinking, well, maybe I haven't had it on my block properly, but we are going to do it again, so it won't really matter too much. Now this is a card that could be great for male or female, which I really like. You could add a splash of colour, maybe using your ink blending brushes and add a little bit of colour to that DSP. That would look really cool as well. I just really thought that the whole black and white theme would be pretty cool. So this time I've actually gone down on my rest of my adhesive back sheet basic black piece. I've embossed it, and I'm just going to use my ribbon scissors to actually cut that down. So we got there in the end, but you can see how you can do it any way you like. So we're adding a little bit of the liquid glue to pop them down. Now you can purchase any of the supplies that I'm using today in my online store. Use the hostess code for this month. Like I said, you'll get a handmade card as well as this bundle tutorial. This is just one of the projects in the bundle. Always lots of inspiration there. And yeah, I would love to be your demonstrator and help you, give you some inspiration as well. So if you're not already working with a demonstrator, you can certainly come and check my online store out. So there are a few little pieces that have to be pushed through with this die. Not a problem, I'm just using my piercing tool, but you could also use your take my pick tool to get those little pieces out. And it's as easy as just pulling that sticker backing off and placing them down. Now I'm not pushing down completely here. I want to make sure that I've got a good alignment of my candles before pushing down and popping them into complete place. We're also going to add that sentiment of the birthday. We're going to add some dimensions on the back of that and pop it up. Now I probably could have taken that backing off, which would have been better, but I've left it on and it worked fine. It stuck down without any issues. So we're going to add this down to the card, and we're almost finished here. We are going to add some black matte dots. These are in the catalogue that you can grab. These are always good to have on hand as embellishments. So I'm also going to stamp just with Memento Tuxedo on the inside and add that second or that last candle there as well. I really hope that you've enjoyed today's card. If you have, please give me a thumbs up, and I'd love it if you subscribed. And I look forward to seeing you all again really soon. Thank you so much, everyone. Don't forget, the Celebrate with Tags bundle is a must-have in your craft room. Great for all sorts of projects. All right, enjoy your day. Bye-bye. Sorry, guys, I forgot. This is this week's Tracy's Sunday Challenge. Table placements for Christmas, and this is the project that I created. So this you can find in here on YouTube, the video tutorial as well as my blog post. All right, enjoy your day. Bye-bye.